Saya berjanji mengakui, tunduk, dan setia kepada Negara Kesatuan Republik Indonesia
To all Indonesian people,
our spirit for the World Cup still continues.
Our spirit for the World Cup still continues.
our spirit for the World Cup still continue.
And also terima kasih to Mr. President Prabowo.
Terima kasih to President Prabowo.
Terima kasih to Mr. Prabowo.
I'm ready to give anything for Indonesia.
I'm ready to give everything for Indonesia.
I'm ready to give anything for Indonesia.
Let's go Indonesia.
Let's go Indonesia.
Let's go Indonesia.